car wreck? No. We are stuck in the car because our security system thinks that we are thieves because we opened the door some kind of weird way. And so it makes it so that we can't turn on our car for 15 minutes. It punishes us. You're done with your banana? I thought you were very, very hungry.
I'm done.
Ryan's...
I just eat 10 pieces.
Why don't you eat 15 pieces?
That's 15.
Mm-hmm. You don't have to eat the brown thing at the bottom.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't want to eat 15.
Eat 12.
Okay, and I'm done.
Mm-hmm. Hi, Rue. Did you have a good day today at summer camp? Hi, Liz.
Mine hands are dirty.
Alright.
Mommy,
Let me get something.
We ate a banana.
Oh, Liz.
I need a wet towel.
Okay. Alright. Say bye-bye to the camera and I'll get a wet towel.